morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So I will continue with my presentation on Malaysia Marine Geo Hub and Maritime Chat Service. The focus of my presentation will be on the use of ArcGIS platform to manage our database and web services using Marine Chat Service and Custom Chat Builder as part of our MSDI component. The scope of my presentation as follows. Next. Traditionally, hydrographic data was used mainly for nautical chart, data gathered and stored with limited accessibility for sharing. With the new technology revolution, some even has developed a centralized hydrographic database. In order to be used, data need to be managed through an infrastructure which facilitate and simplify their accessibility. With all this, the hydrographic survey data should be used more than just for nautical charting. It should be the foundation for maritime data management system in the framework of MSDI for broader use. Like many other hydrographic offices around the world, National Hydrographic Center also start to evolving our traditional rules and be part of the big data environment by connecting our database to the web services for data sharing. It has been recognized at both national and international level that data and information collected for the production of navigational chart and safety of navigation are also important to many other aspects of the management of the maritime environment. In a demanding, globalized, and constantly changing technical and financial environment, the establishment of MSDI is considered as an obligation for a coastal state. The Hydrography Office of the state play an important role in the development of the marine component of all SDI, coordinating the requirement for data collection, interoperability, dissemination, access, standard, security, pricing policy, and funding. Malaysia is no exception, and NIC has played a major role in the development of Malaysia MSDI through My Marine Geo Hub. The focus of My Marine Geo Hub is to resolve marine data management issue and spearhead the development of the MSDI component in Malaysia. As GIS is the main component for MSDI, it brings together the science of where things are and where things should be for the maximum benefit of the user. That is the maritime industry. As the national authority for hydrographic activity and charting in Malaysia, NIC make full use of this to disseminate nautical product, data, and services in the form that can easily effectively be consumed by the user. The user is not only limited to utilize the service, but become part of the community to share the information through the infrastructure that we have developed. To support our requirement, the development and enhancement of MSDI become one of our priority and was listed as part of our transformation plan. The new upgrade for the current system and software will be done this year as per plan number 4. This also as part of our preparation for the development of digital product and services based on S100 standard. Through MSDI framework, NIC developed My Marine Geo Hub, the database that encompasses all the policies, technologies, standard, and human resource necessary for effective collection, management, access, delivery, and utilization of geospatial marine data in Malaysia. Some of the data gathered and determined from several agencies, including federal and state government, private sector, research and educational institutions that have interest in marine data. The coordination and management for this has been made through Special Committee for Marine Data under the ambit of Malaysia Geospatial Data Infrastructure, or also known as MyGDI. Under Marine MyGI Technical Committee, spearheaded by the NSC, the marine spatial data has been divided into 13 categories and 16 sub-data set which belong to various state, ministry, agency, and department. So far, there are 38 stakeholders engaged in this data sharing within the My Marine GeoHub Kin data set. The slide shows the MSDI setup for Malaysia. We're still using Keris platform for our data management, processing, quality control, and production. So ArcGIS platform is highlighted in blue that we use for our Marine GeoHub and web services other than bathymetric data. So the problem when using these two type of platform, we need to convert the data so it can be read by another software or application. Hopefully, this issue we try to discuss with SC to resolve it in future, so we can read the data directly without need any conversion between the two software, Keris or Esri. So this our database will follow the basically new standard produced by IHO and the new standard for the digital product S100. This the slide show the coverage of our cell that will be constantly updated using My Marine GeoHub database. For the time being, we have 116 ENC cell and the same cell that we will use for our maritime chart service. The main capability of the maritime chart service is to publish S57 or S60 format as Open Geospatial Consortium map service. It also can be integrated seamlessly into existing system as a chart-based layer. With this service, the ENC that is commonly used on board ship can be viewed through a web browser without the need to have an ArcGIS. This capability also can be used as background data to enhance user analysis, planning, and managing on the area of interest. Marine Chart Service Online is not to be used for navigation, but it can support maritime decision making, such as vessel tracking and voyage planning. It is automatically updated and provide confidence to the user that decisions are made using the latest information. The service can be accessed through online by the user, and for the time being, Marine Chart Service has been used to support the Defense Geospatial Information Management System, which operated by the Malaysian Armed Forces. It also used by Petronas, our national oil company, to assist in their planning and as decision-making tool for their exploration project. The Marine Chart Service is also part of our electronic navigation application that used by domestic mariner and managed by Malaysia Marine Department. Custom Chart Builder is one of the tools that come with the Marine Chart Service, allowing the user to create geographic and georeference PDF, which can be printed directly from S57 format. The charting parameters also can be adjusted and converted into on-demand downloadable organization standard, which is fast and seamless. Before I end my presentation, I would like to show you a short video to summarize on what I just presented to you all.